Welcome to C-Note Tax Solutions. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple and secure process of creating a profile on our portal. Let's get started. To begin, go to the C-Note Tax Solutions portal by typing the website address into your browser. Once the page loads, existing users can simply enter their username and password in the login fields. After entering your details, you'll receive an OTP verification code via text to your registered phone number. Enter this code in the field provided to complete your login. New users can click on the Create New Account button to start the registration process. When you click Create New Account, you'll be asked to provide your basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Please ensure the details are correct, as we will use them for communication and verification purposes. Next, you'll choose a secure password. We recommend using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Once you've entered your details, an OTP code will be sent to your registered phone number via text. Simply enter the OTP in the field provided to complete the registration process.